Hi guys, this is my healthy, high-protein tuna salad. You only need just a few simple ingredients. We'll use red pepper, a few slices of onion, and a cup of baby spinach or half a cup of parsley. Chop all the veggies finely, or you can use a knife and dice them. This is the final consistency. Now add a can of tuna in brine and one serving size of my healthy oil-free mayo. I will leave you the link. Mix it well. Don't forget to add some salt. And look how nice and creamy it is. Also add some pepper or some chili flakes. And this is the final result. It's very tasty and has a very good protein to calorie ratio. To keep it that way, I serve it with some cucumbers. You can also use some high quality bread or some good crackers. And in 10 minutes, you're ready with a meal full of protein, packed with nutrients and very refreshing. I hope you'll try this recipe. And now, listen to the crunch. Bye guys!